Welcome back to Untold Inspirational Stories. Once upon a time, in a big and colorful forest, there was a young bird named Timmy. Timmy was a small, curious bird with shiny eyes. He lived in a comfy nest on a tall oak tree, and his mom and dad, Mr. and Mrs. Finch, loved him a lot. Timmy loved watching older birds fly high in the sky with their pretty wings, dreaming of exploring beyond the forest. But Timmy had a problem: he was scared of heights. Just thinking about leaving his safe nest made him feel scared. One sunny day, Timmy sat on a branch near his nest, looking at the big blue sky. He wanted to join the other birds in their exciting adventures, but fear stopped him. His parents noticed he looked sad and came to him. Mrs. Finch said, "Timmy, we know you want to fly. Don't let fear stop you, you can do amazing things." Mr. Finch added, "All birds learn to fly, and you will too. It takes courage and hard work, but we believe in you." Encouraged by his parents, Timmy took a deep breath and decided to face his fear. He hopped off the branch and flapped his wings as hard as he could. At first, he wobbled and stumbled, but he didn't give up. Timmy knew flying wouldn't be easy, but he was determined. Each time he tried, Timmy felt more confident. He practiced a lot, flapping his wings with determination, and slowly, he flew higher and higher. Other birds cheered for him, giving him encouragement. One day, Timmy surprised everyone by hovering in the air for a few seconds. He felt so happy and knew he was getting closer to his dream. As weeks passed, Timmy got much better at flying. He explored the forest from above, feeling brave and free. Timmy's story spread through the forest, inspiring other young birds to face their fears and follow their dreams. He became a symbol of hope, showing that with hard work and belief in yourself, you can do anything. Timmy taught the whole forest that reaching your dreams might be tough, but with determination and support, you can reach the sky. His story became a motivational tale for everyone. Thanks for listening. If you liked our story, please subscribe to Untold Inspiration.